Hi you guys, today I'll be doing a lip tutorial just to show you guys my everyday lip combo. And yeah, so let's get into it. So I start with my NK lip liner. So I start under my lips. I overline under my lips. And then I line my lips. I don't overline my top lip, but I overline my bottom lip. And then I'm going to go in with my Swept lip gloss in the shade Durban. So you know it's a sticky gloss. And just do that. Blend it in. Go in again. There are on the bottom lip. Go again. Don't smack your lips. Go again and use this one for the bottom lip. Sorry, for the top lip. So that your lips can stay gloss the whole day. So yeah, now I'm going to the beach and I have some glossy lips. Hi guys, so I'm on my way to the beach.
Everyone is doing and they get a lot of views and stuff.
Don't mind my hair. So I was just talking about it.
Going to buy groceries and stuff. Everybody, people love this.
Hi guys, so I'm on my way to the beach. Yeah.
In 600 meters, turn right on Camps Bay Drive.
Although that we are on Monday, what are they on Monday?
I'm sweating. Yeah, you guys, that's how hot it is. Can you imagine? But so I came to the beach with vibes. I did not carry what I was supposed to carry, but we made it. It's good I put on sunscreen. That's what matters. Hey guys, so I'm at the beach. Yeah. I actually enjoy the sun. That's true.
I've gotten wet so many times.
There's another beach. I'm so excited. Oh, this is so nice. Hi guys, I'm tired. So coming back up the stairs. How I'm saying it is how I feel. Yeah. So we're on our way to get some ice cream. Yeah.
What are we doing?
Cheers. I just wanted to check in with the lips. The lips hold on the whole day, you see, huh? Yeah, so I'm having ice cream right now. Hi guys, don't mind my face, the sun. So now we're walking. I'm looking for a place where I could buy some food. I know I keep saying hi guys. I was caught unaware. Hi guys, so about the Chinese. Oh, update. At the Chinese restaurant. Yeah, because I missed some dishes today, so I'm just trying to find the perfect noodles, fried noodles. So I've ordered some fried noodles in the flavor beef. So I hope it meets my expectations. And yeah, I will show you guys how it looks like. Updates. I'm at the food market. Yeah. So my friend's here to get a meal. Okay, not a meal, she's here to get donuts. Yeah, let me show how it looks like. So the restaurant's on this part. So yeah, nice view. So she's getting mini donuts.
I should also get into contestations. Excuse me, yes, please.
So you guys, we're done. I'm waiting for Uber. So behind me is a food market. Anyway, yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. So thanks for coming along. You came along with me. Why is this bus asking me if I want to go with him? Like, anyway, you guys, yeah, so this has been my day, and don't forget to subscribe and like to this channel and like this video. Yeah, so this has been my day. See you in the next video. Bye guys.